15 years ago, China barely produced electric cars. Today, it manufactures more EVs than the rest of the world combined. Companies like BYD, NIO, XPeng, Zeekr, Li Auto, and Geely turned what began as state-backed experiments into a market tsunami. In 2023, China sold over 9 million electric vehicles, capturing more than 60% of global EV sales. At the heart of this success is a simple formula: government support, innovation, and relentless scale. For Beijing, electric mobility isn't just transportation. It's an industrial strategy. It connects to the battery industry, renewable energy, and data networks. Every car is part of a nationwide smart energy ecosystem. China doesn't just build cars, it builds batteries. Companies like CATL and BYD dominate the world's lithium-ion supply chain. From mining and refining to cell production, China accounts for more than 75% of global EV battery manufacturing capacity. Their breakthrough technologies, such as BYD's Blade battery and CATL's Keelan battery, make EVs safer, cheaper, and faster to charge. These innovations allow Chinese automakers to lower prices and deliver long-range cars to global markets. But an electric car is only as good as its charger. That's where China changed the game. By mid-2024, the country had built over 3.2 million public EV charging points, 10 times as many as the United States. Of these, 1.78 million are fast chargers, capable of delivering hundreds of kilometers of range in minutes. China uses a single nationwide standard, GB/T, meaning every EV, regardless of brand, can plug into any charger. This uniformity allowed the network to expand at lightning speed. In major cities, charging stations are more than parking spots. They're smart energy hubs. They balance the national grid, integrate solar panels and energy storage, and even feed electricity back into the grid during peak demand. NIO Power operates battery swap stations that replace a depleted pack in under 3 minutes. BYD builds supercharging hubs where drivers can recharge while shopping or dining. Companies like State Grid and China Southern Power Grid operate these stations as part of the country's digital energy infrastructure. China's EV expansion doesn't stop at its borders. The same chargers now appear in Thailand, Indonesia, the UAE, and parts of Europe, exported under Belt and Road energy projects. Chinese brands supply turnkey charging parks to foreign governments, combining technology with financing. For developing nations, this model is irresistible. Cheap, fast to deploy, and already proven at scale. Yet even in China, the electric boom faces hurdles. Rural coverage still lags behind urban centers. Power grid demand is rising sharply, forcing new renewable projects to keep up. And as global competition increases, Chinese automakers must convince buyers that quality matches quantity. But one thing is clear: the momentum is unstoppable. Every day, new EVs roll off assembly lines, and new chargers light up highways that didn't exist a decade ago. China didn't just adopt electric cars, it industrialized them. It turned sustainability into a strategy and technology into soft power. In the race toward a cleaner future, China isn't just participating, it's setting the pace. The revolution is already here, and it's electric.